Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about outdoor kitchen design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. As summer approaches, it's time to start thinking about outdoor entertaining and cooking. For barbecue enthusiasts, an outdoor kitchen is a must-have addition to the home. With the right design, an outdoor kitchen can take your grilling game to the next level. First and foremost, the grill is the centerpiece of any outdoor kitchen. When choosing a grill, it's important to consider size, features, and quality. A high-quality grill with ample cooking space, a rotisserie, and multiple burners will allow you to cook a variety of foods and entertain guests with ease. Another important aspect of outdoor kitchen design is storage. Cabinets and drawers can provide ample storage space for cooking utensils, dishes, and even a mini fridge for drinks. Open shelving can also be a great option for displaying decorative items and keeping items easily accessible. When it comes to the design of the outdoor kitchen, there are a variety of styles to choose from. Rustic, natural materials like stone and wood can create a cozy, cabin-like atmosphere. For a more modern look, sleek stainless steel appliances and clean lines can create a chic and polished vibe. One design element that is often overlooked is lighting. Adding ambient lighting to the outdoor kitchen area can create a warm and inviting atmosphere for evening grilling and entertaining. String lights, lanterns, and built-in lighting are all great options for creating a well-lit outdoor kitchen. Finally, don't forget about the seating area. A comfortable seating area with ample shade can make the outdoor kitchen a welcoming space for guests to relax and enjoy the food and atmosphere. Consider incorporating a pergola, umbrella, or even a canopy to provide shade during sunny days. In conclusion, an outdoor kitchen is the perfect addition for barbecue enthusiasts who love to entertain and cook outdoors. With the right design, it can transform your backyard into a functional and stylish space for cooking, eating, and spending time with friends and family. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make outdoor kitchen design ideas. Thank you.